2 tankers, 1 collision, a fire at sea, and a near miss in one of the world's most congested anchorages. For mariners, this is more than a headline, it's a case study. Part 1. The Situation Report. At 0114 local time on June 17, 2025, a Suezmax tanker, the Adalynn, was involved in a collision with the VLCC Front Eagle near the Khorfakkan anchorage in the Gulf of Oman. This area lies just east of Fujairah, outside the Strait of Hormuz, a known high-traffic and high-risk zone. Front Eagle was reportedly making about 13 knots, fully laden with Basra light crude, en route to China. Adalynn, in ballast, was making about 4.8 knots on a southeasterly heading. The Front Eagle made a starboard alteration, possibly a last-minute maneuver, and impacted the port quarter of Adalynn. Part 2. The immediate damage. The collision caused a fire aboard Adalynn. Videos show flames on the upper deck, likely originating near the accommodation or residual fuel areas. The UAE Coast Guard coordinated a successful full-crew evacuation, 24 seafarers off safely. The Front Eagle also suffered minor fire damage on deck, possibly due to ignited paint or hydraulic oil, but it was quickly contained by onboard systems. Her 22 crew remained aboard and managed the incident professionally. Part 3. Mariners Analysis. Now here's where it gets technical. In high-traffic areas like Khorfakkan, COLREGs aren't just law, they're survival. Both vessels were reportedly underway, not anchored. That puts the burden of safe passage on proper watchkeeping, radar plotting, and bridge team coordination. A late starboard turn at 13 knots by the Front Eagle suggests either a delayed CPA assessment or misjudgment in a close-quarters scenario. Rule 15. Crossing situation might have been violated if proper giveaway action was not taken. Add possible GPS spoofing, AIS delays, and fatigue, and you've got a textbook set up for collision. Part 4. The darker context. But there's more below the surface. The Adalynn is tied to the shadow fleet. Older vessels used to move sanctioned oil. Often, these ships are running with outdated ECDIS, expired safety certificates, and minimal vetting. In busy sea lanes, vessels like this are a hazard not just to navigation, but to the environment and global trade. And then there's electronic interference. Multiple reports from mariners in the Gulf mention erratic GPS, blanked AIS targets, and spoof positions, especially since the Israel-Iran tension spiked. That's a real issue affecting real navigation. Part 5. Damage control and response. Emergency response was swift. UAE MRCC deployed rescue assets in under an hour. No injuries, no confirmed pollution. That speaks volumes about training, coordination, and SALAS drills done right. Front Eagle is now at anchor off Fujairah for inspection. Adelyn's condition is still under wraps, but judging by fire footage, she's likely out of commercial service for now. This is a wake-up call for every mariner out there. Even in calm weather, with modern tools, a simple miscalculation in a TSS-adjacent zone can lead to a major incident. 2 ships crossed paths, one carrying oil, the other carrying risk. Fortunately, this was a disaster averted. Next time, we might not be so lucky. If you're a fellow mariner or cadet, drop your thoughts below. Would this have happened under your watch? This is the Watchkeepers log. Stay sharp, stay safe, and always respect the sea.